Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you my onion oil video, which a few of you have asked for because I've showed it in one of my wash day videos. I've made this oil twice. I've got two different processes which I want to show you. One of these processes is better than the other when it comes to preservation. So before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed and also hit the notification button so you get a notification every time I post. And let's get right into it. So I cut up 3 cloves of garlic and a whole ginger. You can use as much or as little as you want. So chop it up into small pieces and then blend. So I'm going in with 1 cup of coconut oil, followed up by a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then a 1/4 cup of castor oil. So I'm melting the oil here using the double boiler method, and I do it this way because I don't want to overheat my oils and lose the nutrients. Here I'm adding the blended onion, garlic and ginger into my oil, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a bit. So here I cracked my glass bowl because I put it on the pan whilst it was on the fire. Don't do that. So then I had to change it into this little glass jar. So once it cools, just drain it using a cheesecloth. So I had already used this cheesecloth to drain my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. That's why it has those black stains, but I do not mind. So this is it, all drained and ready to use. I'll then go ahead and add some essential oils. Here I'm going in with vitamin E oil, followed by peppermint oil, and then some lavender. And that's just to mask the onion smell a bit. So yeah, that's my onion, ginger and garlic growth